Carter Lumber is a retail and manufacturing lumber and building materials supplier. We've been in business since 1932. We're a family-owned company. We serve both professionals and do-it-yourselfers. We have 146 locations across 12 states.
People can go anywhere to buy a 2x4. They come to Carter Lumber for customer service. And Cat lift trucks provide us with a reliable machine to take care of our customers' needs. I've been here for 20 years, and we've always had Cat lifts.
We added Cat lift trucks 53 years ago to upgrade to a better machine. With Cat lift, you get the combination of power and maneuverability and ease of use all in the same machine.
We use the Cat forklifts for every aspect of our operations here. Loading and unloading incoming freight, outgoing trucks, building our loads. Anything that needs moved around the yard, we use Cat lifts exclusively.
We use them in all of our yards for every different capacity, from small lifts at 3,000 pounds to the large lifts in 15,000 pounds.
We have P6000s here. Those machines are very nice for maneuverability and getting into tight spots. The 8,000-pound machines are about perfect for loading and unloading freight. It's a lot easier to load a truck with that machine. You can grab a couple units of lumber at once rather than one at a time. We do get freight in here sometimes that is as long as 48 feet long, and the ability to be able to spread those forks out and get a more stable platform at the drop of a hat is very important.
The biggest challenges for Carter Lumber is time management. Every customer wants their material quickly, efficiently, and accurate, and with Cat lift, we don't have to worry about having downtime.
The ease of use and dependability of the Cat lift trucks, I would say it's number one.
Some of the smallest things make your day easier, from the lid that keeps the guys from getting rained on, to the dual wheels on the front so that you don't get stuck in the mud or in the snow on a nasty weather day.
We have terrain of all types: gravel, dirt, mud, deep stone. So the machines have to be able to travel on different surfaces, and the double tires in the front make it a little bit easier to get around. Makes my day a lot easier.
Across our 146 locations, we do work with 13 MCFA dealers. They do our service work, and they take care of our billing that comes through one bill. The consolidated bill comes in, it's downloaded very easily. It's probably saved us 50% of the time that we used to use on just doing data entry on billing. I would absolutely recommend Cat lift trucks to other businesses.
Cat lift trucks are the best on the market. I've operated a lot of different type of equipment, and the Cat brand, that recognizable color, that means a lot to the employees. When you get out on jobs with blue-collar guys, people that enjoy working with equipment, they want that American product. They want that Caterpillar name. That tells these guys that they're operating something reliable, gives you peace of mind when you start your day.